How to hide WhatsApp chat on lock screen iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the WhatsApp Communities page. Communities bring members together in topic-based groups. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Settings on the right corner. Here, scroll down and go to Notifications. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and turn off the Show Preview switch as shown. You will no longer be able to preview message text inside new message notifications. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily hide WhatsApp chat on lock screen iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.